What's up, YouTube? I'm starting to do gun reviews on all my firearms. This is my Nagant revolver. It is not loaded. You can see it. Well, the first thing I want to say is, for $100, this is a cool gun. It is made in 1945, and it is the only gas seal revolver made. As you can see, the cylinder moves forward. It's the only revolver, I believe, that you can fully silence. I've shot this thing plenty of times. It doesn't fail me at all. And it kicks like a BB gun. So, I think it's pretty cool. The Nagant revolver. Same guy that has done the Mosin Nagant. I believe his name is Leon Nagant. But I just wanted to share this with my YouTube followers. So please subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos of more firearms that I got, and hopefully I'll be posting some videos of me firing these firearms. So thank you.